What is the best way to optimize a fruit tree production in a small backyard? Using small possible dwarf rooting stock or dense planting or a large tree? Less dense. What is the best way to optimize the fruit production? Would you use several small dwarf trees or semi-dwarf trees or a couple of large trees?
Well, I guess it depends. If you want those trees to start fruiting sooner, then I would go with the dwarf trees.
Well, also
you could fit more in.
It may also depend on your municipality and what's above.
Right.
Do you have power lines above? Do you have, how close is it to a structure? How close is it to the property line? And my suggestion would be go one big tree versus 2 or 3 little trees. Yeah, the 2 or 3 dwarf trees you could get different varieties, but you do one larger tree if it works and it's not going to hang over the neighbor's property and drop fruit and apples or pears or whatever on them, because after a couple of years you're going to have more than you know what to do with.
Yeah, that's true too. But I think the simple answer would be you have to think about, again, where you're putting it and whatnot. But if you want something sooner, dwarf would be the way to go. If you are trying to do something long term, then regular size would be fine.